Alright folks, we back down here at Sumter. Got the black car. Didn't get the motor done in time for the white car. We were getting a brand new Thunder Bomber motor built for it because the motor that was in that car when we got it wasn't a Thunder Bomber motor, and that's the way we're going with that car. So we brought the old faithful, patched her back together. We got her going back out here at Sumter tonight, and we're going to see what we can do. I think we found the missing piece of the puzzle last week down here in the feature. So hopefully track stays good all night. It really wasn't that bad. A lot of people complained about it last week, but I thought it was pretty racy. I mean, every dirt track's gonna have character. But one thing I want to cover is if y'all feel the need to bash a track on either my Facebook page, my personal Facebook page, or my YouTube channel, please don't do that. I'm not into track bashing. I've had my fair share of ins and outs of racetracks, and I've never once bashed a track. So appreciate if y'all just keep the negativity off my stuff. We're trying to stay positive over here and keep, racetracks alive. But we roll out third for hot lap qualifying. Rocky's getting the car ready, setting all tire pressure, everything. And cool thing is the car won't even hurt. It was just all sheet metal, so car speed just as good as it was last week. Hopefully we can qualify a little better and the driver don't mess up. But I'm about to go get my suit on. We're going to be going out here shortly and hop in the car and see if we can't go and put us a good lap down here and qualify.
Got the center of Doug Petty.
So we went out there in hot lap qualifying. Yeah. She's on it. I'm not. Kind of frustrating, but we didn't really have the whole week. Not making excuses, but we didn't plan on running this car until Wednesday and hadn't even washed it yet. So didn't start working on it until Thursday. Didn't really get to work on the car itself. Just worked on the daggone body, and that kind of hurt us. But found some issues after qualifying. Just had way too much stagger in the car. Thought we could get by with it because the track was still pretty, hooked up and tacky. But I couldn't get down to I couldn't get the car to rotate and come down the racetrack like I needed it to there in qualifying. We're gonna go out here in the feature. We qualified fourth. I think there's like 9 cars here, so we qualified fourth. So still the front half of the field, but we're gonna go out here and we're going to try to keep it in one piece. Haven't had much luck with that this year, but we're going to go out there and just try to run a good race, and we're going to just make sure that, we're good to go. But anyhow, we are starting out outside, and that's kind of sketch here, but as long as we don't get hit in the wheel like we did a couple times last week, I think we'll be all right. Just real tight racetrack, real tight racing. Try to get to the bottom as quick as I can, and hopefully a guy starting third sleeping, so we can get down the front stretch, get down there in front of him. But we're gonna see what we can do.
Right. Flagmen, start the race.
car spun in the bottom of one. 47 at night was just trying to avoid the wreck. Going out. Tough break there for the 1-9 Sam Knight. He was running third when he spun.
Another one did the same exact thing. Come halfway apart. That one's good. That is no good. Maybe good, maybe shit. Apparently I've been buying junk tires. Anybody come on board with our program and help us out getting some tires, it would be much appreciated. Feel like we had a lot better car than what we finished. Just gotta have tires stay together. The car shook me to death the entire race, so I'm gonna have to go through and make sure all the suspension's good. No bolts swallowed any holes out or anything like that. But hey, props to Sumter for getting the race in. And like, we were the third race and it's still daylight outside. Late model's going out now. We're gonna watch the race and I'm gonna change. We'll be back to talk to y'all here in a second. Well, we were able to hold on there for third. I'd say at least the last 10, 11 laps of the race, we were running on that junk tire. And obviously that hurt us a lot. With 2 to go, it got real bad. And old boss lady told me I ain't allowed to run no more junk tires, at least on the right rear. I ain't gonna lie. These tires ain't expensive. I'm just trying to do a whole lot right now and get the new cars together and be in a tight wad. So guess we're gonna have to come off some money for some tires. But anyhow, I had fun tonight. We had a good little race there with the 2 car. He 2 or 3 laps, something like that. But
About 3 laps.
so if anybody thinks this class looks awesome, we got a raffle going on. For $100 you can win a Thunder Bomber. And go down to the link in the description. It'll take you to my Facebook page where I'm doing the raffle of the car. And go buy you a spot. We're at 24 spots filled up right now out of 60, so we're almost there. Well, we're getting there. So go over there, buy you a ticket. Obviously, so first place will be the car, second place is $500 cash, and third place will get a Nothing But Dirt merch package, which will be
a t-shirt and a hat.
Thank you to the Checker Brunette. But yeah. Had fun tonight. Rocky and the boys and Chassis and Megan, they come down here with us. They always like going to the racetrack. Car stayed in basically one piece, just tire didn't. So anyhow, we're loaded up, about to go try and find some payout. And appreciate everybody coming. I think I already shouted out the fella that drove 4 hours to come out here. I think it was like 4 hours they drove to come out here and watch, and I enjoyed meeting him and talking to him for a little bit when we got here. But yeah, appreciate all you guys watching. Go buy a raffle ticket, and you can be out here on a racetrack just like we are. Anyhow, we will catch you on the next video. Make sure you go down and
Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff.
there you go. You gotta say all that good stuff. It's been a tradition on here. But we'll catch y'all on the next one.